Well, well, well. Looks different. Hello guys, Chaser from Chasing Thrills. I'm here at the Kid Flash Cosmic Coaster construction site, and we are here looking at the construction progress of Kid Flash and just starting out since last time I was here. Last time I was here was the day they went vertical and they had done a couple poles there. I think they'd done that cross beam and that's about it. And if you look, there's a station there, track work's completed. They even have the light panels on, I think, the whole track. So I would not be surprised if we saw testing soon. This looks really cool. This is nice. I mean, the Fiesta Texas one already started testing like a week ago. I could see this one starting testing within the next week too. Look, they even have, oh, the trains are even in the station. They might have already secretly started testing. Like you can see the trains in the station there. They've already started putting up the gates. The roof, hopefully they add a little more decor to that. It's kind of ugly right now. I know the Fiesta Texas one was supposed to look nice. Hopefully they add a little bit more there. Oh yeah, this is definitely, I could see this opening within a month. I could see this opening. This looks very nice, wow. Well, there you have it. I could see Kid Flash opening very soon. It looks very nice. Construction panel. They're little light panels. You can see them right there. They're already on. You can see the glare of them. That looks nice. Well, they're not on. They're on the track, I should say. Yeah, looking down there. That looks very nice. Kid Flash, it looks like it's going to be a fun ride. I'm very excited. I mean, we need a kiddie coaster. Very cool to see all this construction. I mean, this was not here a month ago. Like, none of this. This is so cool. I mean, they can finish track work in a week. I mean, again, it's a kiddie coaster, but still impressive that they did it so fast. I could definitely see testing happening within the next week or so, and I could see it opening within the next month. I think maybe sometime mid-October, maybe in November, maybe they'll be opening it. I could see them opening mid-October, honestly. This looks really cool. Hopefully they add a little more theming. It looks like this will be a queue line, judging by how it's poured out. There could be a sign right there. It looks like this is going to be the queue right over here. Yep, and then there's going to be a ramp right there that will lead you up into the station. Or it also looks like that's part of the queue line is going to be by the track, maybe? I don't know. Anyway, this ride looks cool. I'm very excited for it. It's going to be a cool ride. And it looks nice. Now let's go head over to the other new roller coaster. Yes, there's two coming here to Six Flags Røde. Let's go look over at the Ultra Surf plot of land. All right, over here by the old Splash Waterfalls plot of land, now where the new Ultra Surf will be. As you can see, it's just basically a bunch of dirt. So there's not really much stuff going on over here yet. I'm assuming they're probably not gonna start for another, maybe in the next few months, over winter maybe, but I don't really see them opening it like in May. I don't see that happening. So yeah, that is a little disappointing to see. Maybe even it could be delayed to 2025, but again, it was a very last minute decision, so they have to fabricate all the stuff. It's obviously a new ride. So that's kind of a bummer. But yeah, looking over here, not really much progress. But other than that, I mean, they haven't announced the name yet. I'll be doing stuff when they announce the name. I'll do an analysis stuff, all my thoughts. So if you want to see more of that, make sure to stay tuned for more here on Chasing Thrills. And with all that said, please make sure to, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to have a thrilling rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.